Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WooCommerce admin step by step clearly. To log into your WooCommerce admin, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in your website URL followed by /wp-admin. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you have filled in both fields, click the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the WooCommerce section by finding it in the left-hand menu. Click on WooCommerce to access the WooCommerce admin area. You are now logged into your WooCommerce admin. If you encounter any issues, double-check your username and password. If you forget your password, click the Lost Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. This concludes the steps for logging into your WooCommerce admin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.